Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you the process of setting up a new Cash App account on your mobile device. Follow these steps carefully to complete the setup. Start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. If you already have an existing Cash App account, you will need to delete it first, as the app does not allow multiple accounts on the same device. Once you have removed your previous account, or if you are starting fresh, open the app to begin. On the first screen, you will be prompted to enter either your phone number or your email address. Choose whichever option you prefer to create your account. Enter your phone number or email address, then tap on the Next button at the bottom of the screen. A verification code will be sent to the phone number or email address you provided. Check your messages or email for the code and then enter it into the app. After entering the code, tap Next to proceed. Now confirm your country. Here, I will enter United States. The next step involves linking your bank account to your Cash App account using a debit card. If you have a debit card and would like to link it now, enter your debit card number when prompted. This will connect your bank account to Cash App, allowing you to send and receive money. If you prefer not to link a bank account at this time, you can skip this step by tapping the Skip option at the bottom of the screen. In the next screen, enter your legal name. Click Next to proceed. Next, you can enter your date of birth. On the next screen, you will need to choose a unique cash tag for your account. This is a personalized username that others can use to send you money. Enter your desired cash tag and the app will check its availability. If the cash tag is already in use, you will need to make changes to create a unique one. Once your cash tag is accepted, tap Next to proceed. If you use your phone number, you will now be asked to enter your zip code. Type in your zip code and tap Next to continue. Next, choose PIN as a backup for Face ID. Confirm it. Once you have completed these steps, your new Cash App account will be successfully created. You can now use Cash App to send and receive money or explore its other features. This is how you set up a new Cash App account on your mobile device. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.